everyone, my name is Shikha Desai and I welcome you all to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So I have a great news for you guys. Genpact is hiring. So let us go and see all the details without wasting much time. So here you all can see the Genpact hiring details. They are hiring for a senior associate role. Primary location is India, Bangalore. It's a full-time role. Education level is bachelor's, graduation equivalent. Job posting had started on Feb 8, 2024. So they are expecting minimum qualifications of BS, BE, BTech, MCA or equivalent. Preferred qualifications are relevant experience in functional and automation testing, understanding of both waterfall and Scrum Agile methodologies, must be able to understand and collaborate with on requirements and design, knowledge of Salesforce.com testing or other SaaS applications, understanding of coding enterprise applications within Java, PHP or other languages. So just go, give it all a read and you all can apply here. So don't forget to apply. In case you'll have any difficulty or any queries in preparing for the interview, Online Study for You have come up with their Achievers 2.4 batch. So it's all MNC placement exams and competitive exams batch. Let us see more about the course. It is for batches of 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024. Batch is starting from 12th Feb. Live plus recorded classes will be available for you guys. Quantitative aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, coding, everything will be taught from basic to advanced. GSA, the ebooks, course certificates, resume building, mock interview, all India mock test, mentors from top MNCs, LinkedIn profile optimization, 100% job assistance, mock interview plus GDPI, and everything, all the details about job openings, everything will be available on one platform only, and all this is available for just 1599, that is 1600, and I really don't think all of this will be available anywhere at such a low cost. So please guys, make the best use of this course and prepare well, and all the best for your interview. So as we know, exactly last year in 2023, March, April, there was a big headline, a big breaking news that Accenture is set to lay off 19,000 people, and here as we can see, the news was live on Economic Times, India Times, The Fortune. Here we can see on Fortune, Accenture to cut 19,000 jobs in major escalation. But now it's been a year since that news, and I have a really good news for you guys that Accenture is still hiring, and Accenture has not laid off these 19,000 people as of yet. So since Accenture is still hiring and it has not yet fired these 19,000 people as of yet, we know that in 2024 the market is going to get more stable, much more stable than 2023. So it is a good news for you guys, especially the 2024 batch students, because Accenture will be hiring soon for you guys. Just be prepared with everything. Be prepared with your course, be prepared with how you are going to answer the interviews. Resume, just build up your resume and just stay completely prepared. The job openings are going to come soon. I wish all of you guys all the very best. I hope to see you in the Achievers 2.4 batch, and let's together prepare for the interview and crack all of them and get placed in the top MNC. Wishing all of you all the very best. Please like the video and share it with as many people as possible so that you can help others too. And stay safe, stay updated. All the best.